Hey guys, my name is Liliana. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful footline cake with a little marble effect and synthetic flowers. If you want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. product. I really like how it turned out. It's actually perfect for a wedding cake. And the techniques that you need to know about this is basically what I did is that I used two 6-inch twice, and then in the middle I used a 5-inch. So what's really important to know is that, again, you do your crumb coat, freeze it, bring it back, do a second coat, and then you do that with both cakes. And then you just stack the 5 on top of the 6-inch, and then for the top part, make sure that it's completely frozen so you can literally remove it from the cake board. And if you don't want to remove it from the cake board, make sure that we don't see the cake board. So for the flowers, what you need to do is simply take a toothpick in the flour and then stick it in your cake, and voila, you have a beautiful cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. It's actually perfect for a not only a birthday but also a wedding. And what did I want to say?